Today on Mittens Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. I got my dad out here. He's gonna help me get this flipped over, and after I get that flipped over, I'm gonna put some wheels on it. That way I can make it roll around a lot easier when I got a project anywhere in the garage. So let's get that taken care of. Alright, so we're gonna get those wheels on there. So, I call him my dad, but he's actually my stepdad. He helped me flip this over. We kind of dropped the drawers out, which we might have to repaint a little bit, but that's alright. Let me get these wheels and my drill and my drill bits, and we'll get these wheels on there. So here's our wheel locks. These are what I'm gonna put on here, and these two. So let's get that the bits measured, and we'll get them on here. So I got my tape. Let me get these, figure out which drill I'm going to use, and we'll get it taken care of. Tape's coming off. Looks good to me. Now, what I'm going to do is take some of this glitter glue and put it down in the holes I just made, and put some on here. Then I'm going to take and get me a wrench real quick and take this and screw it down in there. So I got the wrench. These bolts right here are a 16. So we'll get this taken care of. Done. And my toolbox will set a little higher, and we'll let that dry and come back out here and set it back up. And hopefully we'll do, you know, put my tools in it. And well, I got this flipped over. I'm gonna spray the bottom of this. I'm going to probably just make it one color. Got to repaint these pieces because I didn't get to do the good while it was flipped over. So let's clear this off and get all this wiped down and cobwebs off, and we'll paint. take you over here and show you what all's going into it. So all that, and those, and maybe those. It's in all that, but all those were in that. It's right here. But yeah, all that was in that little toolbox. So now you see why it was like so super heavy. All that's going into that, to the new toolbox. But yeah, all that is going in this. So once this is dry, I'll throw another coat on there and let these dry a little bit longer, which I think they're already set up. So let's go ahead and throw another coat on there. Let's go ahead and get this up. We're going to make the handle this side, that way I can move it around. So let's make this handle. Take this, put this here, that way I have, like if I need something that, quick release, put it right there. It's a magnet. So that would be it for the video. Like it, comment, hit that notification bell for new videos, and subscribe.